friends, welcome back to my channel SRP'S Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggless chocolate cake without oven. Firstly, I'll show you all the main ingredients required for the cake. I'll let you know the quantity later. This is the whipping cream I'm using for cake. This is of Silver Mark brand. This is easily available in the market. If not, you can go for other brand. This has sugar already in it, so no need to add further sugar. And instant coffee powder 4 sachet, dark chocolate, condensed milk. You can use curd instead of condensed milk too. Cocoa powder, vanilla essence, all-purpose flour or maida, powdered sugar, nozzles and piping bag, and baking powder. Please add baking soda too, I have missed it. In a bottomed vessel, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil, condensed milk 1 small cup, powdered sugar 1/4 cup, and mix them well. Now add maida 1 cup and 1/4 cup. Cocoa powder 3 tablespoons. Baking soda and baking powder 1/2 teaspoon each. Using a strainer, separate the lumps and mix them all. Take 1 cup of raw milk, add 1/2 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, two teaspoon of sugar, add milk for the mixture and mix them. I have added 1 cup of milk to form this consistency. For butter paper, cut a sheet of paper into cake tin shape and grease oil both the sides. Grease the cake tin properly. Place the greased paper and pour half of the cake batter, and rest of the batter will be cooked again in cake tin so that we can cut them easily. Tap the tin properly. Preheat the vessel for 15 minutes with water and place a stand so that our cake can cook properly. Cook the cake for 30 minutes and check them using a stick. Insert a stick and check whether it comes out clean and nothing is stick to it, then the cake is cooked properly. If not, cook them for more minutes. Once the cake comes out to room temperature, we can take it out. Tap the tin and remove the cake. You can see it has come out easily because of the paper. Using a knife, mark around the cake and separate it by using a thread. For sugar syrup, add half teaspoon of instant coffee powder, sugar 1.5 tablespoon and a cup of water. Mix them well. To make whipped cream, you need to refrigerate the container and hand whisker for 2 hours in freezer. Now add 20% of the cream to the vessel and whisk it. In hand whisker, it takes almost 10 to 15 minutes to form a perfect whipped cream. If you are using electric blender, it can be done in 5 minutes. You can make icing for 3 to 4 cakes easily if you are using electric blender. By this whipping cream, by using hand whisker, you can use it for 2 cakes. Now add few drops of vanilla essence cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, mix them and whisk for more minutes. Whipping cream is done. This is the perfect consistency. Whipping cream is not falling out of the vessel. To make the turntable, use 3 cups so you can decorate your cake properly. Place the plate and add a bit of cream so that the cake doesn't move. Apply the sugar syrup. And add chocolate ganache. And whipped cream and spread evenly. Please check the description for link of recipe of chocolate ganache. Cake is done now. For icing, place the piping bag in a glass and fill it with whipped cream. And decorate all over the cake. Put some grated chocolate on the top of the cake. Now decorate with the chocolate ganache. Eggless chocolate cake is ready now. Thank you for watching my video. Please do try the dish at home and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SRP's Kitchen.